Hey LMC, I'm going to show you how to find your unofficial transcript as well as your official transcript. So starting from your Insite homepage, you're going to find this Grades-Transcripts tile. You're going to click on it, and for your unofficial transcript, you're going to click Unofficial Transcript, and that will open a new tab where you'll click District Academic History Transcript. Once you click that, you're going to start a download on the bottom left hand side of your corner. That's where you're going to see the download. And once it's downloaded, you would just need to click it and it will open up your unofficial transcript. Now, as of your official transcript, you're going to click Official Transcript and click LMC or DVC or wherever you're ordering from. And once this loads, you can click Order PDF Transcripts or Order Paper Hard Copy Transcripts. Then once you click one of those, it'll take you to this page where you'll fill out all of your information, and you'll just fill out more information about who's going to be receiving your official transcripts and where to send it to. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.